Lemon water weight loss. Lemon water detox. Some claim that lemon water can help reduce weight. Lemon water is said to reduce appetite, lower calorie cravings, and reduce body fat. Citric acid is found in this beverage, which creates a feeling of fullness and causes the body's ability to release calories faster than usual. Lemon water is an excellent option for those looking to lose weight and maintain a healthy eating style. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Also, see our other videos on this topic of the best healthy water benefits. Weight loss. Lemon water has many benefits that can help you lose weight. It tastes great, which is the most apparent benefit. Lemon water has a tart taste similar to lemons but without the acidic aftertaste of overeating acidic food. Lemon water is excellent to enhance smoothies, juices, and other drinks if you prefer something less tart. Lemon water is good for digestion. Drinking a glass of lemon water before or after a meal can speed up your digestive system's ability to process food. This will make you feel fuller and less likely to crave food. Acidic foods like lemon can cause stomach acid to be neutralized, which aids digestion. The American Dietary Association states that acidic foods can cause gas, bloating, diarrhea, and other symptoms. Alkaline foods can reduce gas or bloat. Drinking lemon water and taking supplements can help to regulate your digestive system and reduce the chance of developing indigestion-related diseases. Drinking lemon water will help you feel fuller and make it easier to eat less. You will begin to enjoy drinking lemon water after a few months. You will find it takes less time to drink water, as you'll feel fuller and more satisfied. Drink lemon water before you go to work every morning. Lemon water will not make you feel bloated. It is easy to swallow and digest. You can drink as many glasses of it as you wish. You can also drink lemon water if you feel hungry or thirsty. Lemon water detox. Lemon water is probably one of the first new detox water recipes made. Lemon water by itself is not a detox. Lemon water aids our bodies in the process of flushing the toxins out and restoring the liver. In addition to being incredibly delicious with its wonderful sweet and delicate flavor, lemon water has several distinct medical benefits attached to it. The benefits range from helping to regulate the body's digestive system to preventing diabetes and even protecting skin from damage from the sun. Lemons are also known to help prevent a number of health problems. As we all know, lemons are so close to water. One of the health benefits of drinking lemon water is that it helps your body's digestion. One of the problems with people today is their diets generally consist of fast food and a lack of exercise. This causes the toxins in the body to build up and become stored in the fat cells of the body. Lemon is known to help break down this fat and flush it out of the body as waste. This, in turn, will help people feel full and therefore will be able to stick to more diets, thus enabling them to lose weight. Summary. Some claim that lemon water can help reduce weight. Lemon water is said to have reduced appetite, lower calorie cravings, and less body fat. Citric acid is found in this beverage, which creates a feeling of fullness and causes the body's ability to release calories faster than usual. Lemon water is an excellent option for those looking to lose weight and maintain a healthy eating style. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share this video on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Also, see our other videos on this topic of the best healthy water benefits.